Welcome. Today I will test how far the Fimi A3 can fly at an inner city park as well as a coastal park. I haven't modified anything and just using FCC mode, which can be selected from the settings. Fimi claim a maximum flight distance of 1 km or 0.621 of a mile, although I've selected a maximum flight distance of 2 km or 1.243 miles within the controller menu. Let's see what it can really do, and I'll also compare it to the more expensive DJI Mavic Air. So in this test, the Fimi A3 flew 869 meters at a height of 34 meters at this inner city park. I think that's a fantastic result, as this area would be flooded with Wi-Fi. On reaching its maximum distance, it automatically returned home and landed quite close to the landing pad. Now let's see what it can do at a coastal park. In this second test, it reached its maximum set distance of 2 km at a height of 50 meters, which is truly impressive. It also automatically returned home and landed quite close to the landing pad. Now let's see how it compares to the more expensive Mavic Air, which is also set to FCC mode. The Mavic Air flew 2,243 meters, which is also very impressive and just a little bit better than the Fimi A3. It automatically flew back and landed not far from the landing pad. So there you have it, the Fimi A3 far exceeds the advertised distance of 1 km, in fact it doubles it, and certainly exceeded my personal expectations too. Well done Fimi. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.